guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're looking at this and you're just like, I thought I seen this video already, you haven't, because I have the same clothes on because we're on a roll. 2 videos today. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing, let me get the box. I'm going to be reviewing this beauty right here, the new Colourpop mascara, color mascara collection they came out with, and I cannot wait to try this out. This is the PR package. I actually bought it off their site. They sold it on their site. I don't know if it's still up there or not, but this is the PR package. It came with all 7 mascaras in like a kind of cleaning duo situation. I'm still looking at what that is, but this is the main showstopper. I'm going to be demoing these and reviewing these for you guys today, just to see how they look on my skin tone and on my lashes, because my lashes are just lash delicious. We're going to see how these work on my lashes, and let's get into the video. I'm back. I washed the mascara off my lashes that I already had on, so my lashes are pretty much clean. The first color I'm going to go in with is this red. The name of the red is called Left On Red, so it's a red color. Also, these mascaras say they're volumizing mascara, so we gonna see. Brush is huge compared to what I usually use on my lashes. The brush is huge. The way I apply my mascara is I only apply it to my top lashes because I just like how it looks, but it's up to you.
There's one thing that I know, is that you ain't a friend to me. So why can't you see?
That looks so cool, guys. Let me do the other eye.
Just let it be your tattoo. Why can't you see?
Okay. So this is Left On Red, which is a red color. It looks so cool. Wow. She's spicy. She a little spicy. I really like the color a lot. It's so cool. Wow. She's spicy, y'all. I really like the color. It's so cute. With the right like eye look, or just doing like a simple like a color mascara with some lipstick, with the right color lipstick, boy, you finna be out here spicy. She cute. Okay, so I really like this color a lot. I don't know how I feel about the brush though, honestly. It's like so big. I mean, it's probably just my preference, but it's just like the brush is so huge, like on my eye. Especially since I have like really light lashes. I have to get down to the root and in the corner where the small baby lash is at. It's kind of hard with this big brush, but other than that, the color is so cute. This is a volumizing mascara, and I think it did volumize. So this is Left On Red. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and go on to the next color, which is a pink color. So the next color is called Pink Ink, so we're gonna jump into that. The next mascara I'm going to try is this pink mascara, which is Pink Ink. She cute. Let me do the other eye. This is Pink Ink. She cute too. Like, we wear pink on Wednesdays, cute. Okay, I think I'm gonna be obsessed with these color mascaras, and this is only my second one trying. So, and these actually look pretty nice on my baby lashes. Like, if you've been watching my videos for a while, you know I have baby lashes. It makes my lashes look fuller, and she cute. The next color I'm going to try is this yellow color, And the name of the yellow color is Yellow Goodbye. So I'm kind of interested to try this out. So eyes be back. Okay guys, I'm back. Lashes are clean. I'm going to go in with Yellow Goodbye, which is a yellow mascara, and we're going to see how this one looks. So this is Yellow Goodbye, just the yellow mascara. She's okay. It doesn't pop on my skin tone like as much as like the other first two colors did. So I mean, she's still cute, but she doesn't like boom, like boom boom. Like she's not like that. She's not like that on my skin tone personally. She's okay. She's not like out there like boom. Next color is a green. Is it a green? So this is not a green, this is a teal color. The name of this one is Kiss and Teal. So it's like a teal greenish color. We're gonna see how this one looks. It's a really pretty color too. So I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I'm back. So this green color or teal color is called Kiss and Tell, and we're gonna try this one out. I can already tell like it's gonna be so pretty. Like look at the outside. That's a pretty color. So this is Kiss and Teal. I don't really, not really feeling this one on my skin tone. It's a little too light, and it's not like really popping like boom, like in your face. I wish it was more of a darker teal than a lighter teal, so it can pop a little more. Yeah, she's not like boom, like in your face. I mean, she's still pretty, but it's not. I'm not really feeling her like that, if that makes sense. I'm not really feeling her like that. Like, she can come along, but I don't know her like that. So that's how I feel. Like, she's okay. So that was Kiss and Teal. And I can say, so far with the mascaras that I've tried, they're like, the color payoff is like ridiculous. Like, it's actually gonna make your lashes that color. So the color payoff is like really nice. The next color I'm trying is this blue color. Ooh, I cannot wait to try this one. And the name of the blue is called Blue Your Mind. Okay, Blue Your Mind. Y'all, she is really blue. I like this one a lot. Like, she is blue. Here's a close-up. She is really nice. Wow. This one is really nice too. This one's my favorite. The red and the pink so far is my favorite ones. She is like boom. She cute. Now with the right makeup look with this, you will look bomb. This is so cute. Yes. Alright, the next color I'm going to be trying is this purple color, which is called Purple Pauze. It's just a purple color. It might be like a light purple. I don't know how dark it will be, but it's just like a purple color. I'm going to try this out for you guys. I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I'm back. I moisturized my face a little bit because my face was like, you're doing too much. The next color I'm trying is Purple Pauze. We're going to go ahead, test this out. So this is the purple. I think I like her too. She's not too deep of a purple and she's not too light of a purple. So I think it pops a little more. Not as much as the other ones, but it's still like you can still pop a little more. So here's a close-up. She's still cute. Okay guys, so I have one last mascara left, and it's just a black mascara. The black one is called Black on Black, which is so spicy. Like, so I'm gonna try this last one out for you guys, and I'm gonna give you my final thoughts on a Colourpop mascara. Okay. Alright guys, so I'm trying out the final mascara, which is Black on Black. I already know what to expect because it's the black mascara, so I already know how that'll look on me. But I'm going to go ahead and try it out.
It's okay to disagree. We don't have to be friends. Say, come for me unless I send for you. No, you're dead to me. Just don't come for me. I won't send for you. No, you're dead to me.
Alright guys, so this is the black mascara. Black on Black. Here's a close-up.
See, I am not your enemy.
Just a regular black mascara. That's the final mascara. I'm going to go ahead and give you my final thoughts. Alright guys, so my final thoughts on the mascara. I think they are really fun, and it does say volumizing, and I did see a difference in my lashes with the volumizing effect, and they were fuller. They looked like they done drunk some juice and they done got bigger. The colors that I really liked were Left on Red, Pink Ink, Blue Your Mind, Purple Prose, and then the black is just a regular black. So I mean, it makes my lashes look fuller. Those are my top favorites because it pops more on my skin tone. The Yellow Goodbye and the Kiss and Teal, they were a little, I mean, the colors are nice, the color payoff is nice, but they were, I don't know, I'm not really into the pastel-y colors like that. It didn't really pop as much on my skin tone. I guess they weren't really dark enough or had a little deepness to them. The color payoff of all the mascaras were phenomenal. Phenomenal woman. It was phenomenal. So I do recommend actually going out and purchasing some on your own. You don't have to buy all of them. You can just buy the ones that you think you might like. But I do recommend having at least one color mascara in your makeup collection, because you can it's a whole different level. Like with color mascara, it's a whole different level. I do recommend going out and, you know, purchasing some. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Don't forget to subscribe, and I love you guys, and you are beautiful. And I'll see you guys in my